Jessica. Good evening.
Teacher Clark.
Good evening too. Oh my. All right, are you okay?
Yeah.
I don't know if that's normal, but when you came into the class, you were like almost closing your eyes, like you're sleepy or something. Ah,
Yeah. Sleepy, little bit sleepy.
oh, I'm sorry for that. Busy day as always.
Always. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, we are going to start with our a new topic. But like I said, we're not going to deal with answering questions yet. Nope. For now, we're just gonna do it with
We
yeah,
live
sh-
for
yeah,
superstitions.
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 Yeah, superstition.
Superstition. I see. Superstitions.
Sti.
Station.
Superstitions.
Superstitions.
That's right. So we're gonna share as much as we can as our time may allow. I want to do it something interesting, like sharing Korea or Philippine superstitions, and let's see who has the most one. Talking about beliefs and superstitions, let me ask you this. So, in your own opinion, Jessica, where do you think does it come from?
Like very long time ago, people there like what's that?
So,
석기 시대, 청동기 석기 시대.
Yeonjangja?
Stoneware,
So,
Stone Age or Steel Age like this. Dinosaurs live
okay, that is a good opinion, but let's just say that is too far. Too far. Okay, so what we're thinking here is that when it comes to belief in superstitions during the Sokki Shide, this is not really how do I say this? It's not yet in people's minds because again they don't understand what's happening around them. So the best time that this could happen could probably be during the ancient times. So Teacher Kurt, like Sokishide is still ancient. Yeah, but that's too ancient. Let's do more of like within the time of King Sejong, kind of like that. So during ancient times where math and science were not yet popular or were not yet available to us. So in the case of beliefs and superstitions, the ancient times, but in a way that they fall through. What's the word I'm looking for? No. What am I doing? Sorry.
Before BC. 철학. Yes.
There you go. Sorry.
Yes. For philosophy.
Okay. Say with me. So, phi, law, saw,
Philosophy.
yes, amazing. That's correct. That's how we say it. Philosophy. So yeah, so people don't understand the basics of math. People don't understand the basics of science. So instead of explaining, like, for example, oh, why do we have night and day? Why do we have that? So you would think like science would explain like, oh, it's because the sun and the moon.
Yes.
But philosophy, it's quite interesting because they would say like, oh, it's because a mighty dragon wanted to eat the moon, and like, dragon? Seriously? Like, it's quite interesting and a little bit funny, but that's what people think. Everything that happens around them can only be explained by stories or basically philosophy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Philosophy.
Yeah, so it's the same thing when it comes to beliefs and superstitions. Some people don't believe this because they would rather believe science or math. But in the ancient times, or let's just say even with our grandparents before, some of our grandparents would also believe like not with science or not with math, right? Okay, so beliefs and superstitions, we got that during the ancient times. So now you might think, oh, so teacher, it doesn't exist anymore. In today's time, we still have beliefs and superstitions, but most of the time, for people who still believe on it, and sometimes our grandparents, some of our grandparents believe it, right? Okay, so quick question, Jessica, do you believe in luck?
Of course, luck, lucky, luck.
So you believe in luck. Are you lucky as well?
Sometimes.
Well, so far you are lucky. I mean, you passed the test twice.
Ah, yes,
Okay.
I'm
But
lucky.
again, luck. You did say sometimes, but would you believe that people would actually believe this 100% when they say, "Oh, Teacher Kurt, are you lucky?" 100% because they have their own beliefs. So when we say beliefs, sorry, when we say luck, you might think like 50-50. So in today's time, it's always 50-50. It's either you're lucky or unlucky. But people in ancient times, they have what we call powers to make their luck increase. So there are thousands of things in the world that would actually make your luck even better. For example, in America, for you to be lucky, you need to carry around a lucky plant or lucky leaf called the four-leaf clover.
Yes, yes, yes.
You know that one?
Yes, for
Mm.
leaf clover.
Very good. There you go. Now, there's another one. Again, it's not really, I don't want to use this, but I'll show you. But can you guess? Can you guess what that is?
A tail?
Nope.
Oh.
Okay, so this is another way of increasing a person's belief in luck, but at the same time, a lot of people want to stop it because it's illegal. This, Jessica, is what you call a rabbit's foot.
Oh, really? Rabbit foot?
Rabbit's foot, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So you might think, oh, this is kacha, this is fake. No. People who believe in luck would actually, well, I would say so. Illegal, not illegal, because in some countries, hunting rabbits for food is allowed. So what they do is when they hunt rabbits, they use it for food, but they chop off the foot and then put it like a keychain, and it will increase a hunter's luck. A rabbit's foot. All right. Now here's the fun part. As far as you know, in terms of Korea's beliefs and superstitions, do you have anything just like this?
Just in Korea, just Jongsu doesn't know, I think.
Okay.
Just my auntie knows. Just
Mhm.
ask her. Before exam,
Mhm.
we didn't eat miyeokguk, seaweed soup. Didn't
Oh,
eat seaweed
okay.
soup because seaweed is very sleepy. Sleepy is what's
Slippery?
that? Slippery. So when we eat, when we test
When we take a
exam,
test?
when we take a test, that time we if we eat seaweed soup is
Okay.
fail.
Oh. Okay. If we eat
Eat
seaweed soup.
seaweed soup. Yes.
Oh, sorry. Interesting.
Yes. And we eat, if you want to pass, we eat, what's that? Like chewing, sticky chewing candy. Is Korean word is yacht. But Papago said yacht is English fork like this, but it's not sweet thing, very sweety.
Is it
Yacht.
chewy?
Chewy, yes.
Ah.
Sticky is pass.
Okay. So the word you're looking for is toffee candy.
Toffee candy. Oh,
So
toffee
it's-
candy. Like a caramel.
Exactly.
Like yes.
So it's sticky. Oh, interesting. That's good.
Yeah,
Oh,
Yes.
but I'm curious. Seaweed soup is lucky if you eat it on your birthday, right?
Yeah, yes. It's very good for women's health. For yes.
Wow. But
Mhm.
so if it's lucky for your birthday, it's kind of weird why it's unlucky for a test,
It's
right?
is so ask my auntie. Auntie no.
Maybe she eats a lot of toffee candy too. Okay, that is cool. That is interesting. Okay, thank you. All right. So comparing to your story, let's say taking a test. As far as I know, in the Philippines, we don't have anything that's like unlucky. But there is one thing that I learned from my grandparents is that before we take a test or while we're studying, we eat peanuts.
Oh, peanut.
Peanuts. So while
Oh,
studying, instead of like chips or fries as a snack, peanuts. And oh yeah, there was one more thing. I did it. It didn't work, but my grandma told me to do this. So let's say tomorrow you have a test, right?
oh, grammar.
My grandma, yeah.
Oh.
So she told me if you have a test tomorrow, the
Mhm.
book that you're
Mhm.
studying, put it under your pillow and sleep
Oh,
on it. So it's like, okay, okay, I did it. Okay, okay, sleep. Okay, and then I took a test. Guess what happened?
similar. I'm Korea.
What do you mean? Similar?
I is under the pillow.
Oh,
When
Korea?
when I sleeping,
Uh
it's
huh.
just talk talking each other, but nobody like I don't know. Just I know that like this.
Oh, so you do that as well. Okay.
Mhm.
All right, but yeah, the funny thing is I did it, but I did not study. I just put the book under my pillow and slept. So you know what happens to the test. I
Ah.
failed. So I was like, Grandma, I will not listen to you anymore. I will just study. All right.
Yes.
So there you go. So interesting. Toffee candy. I didn't know about that. We just talked about infuse, plum, and philosophy, and some ancient times regarding philosophy and that and all that. Plus, just a little bit of pronunciation practice as
Oh yes,
well.
yes,
Okay,
yes. Thank you so much.
no problem. Okay, so I think that's it for me. Jessica, is there any more questions you want to ask me before we go?
I don't have a question.
It's time to hit the sack.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So Jessica, thank you so much for being here tonight, and thank you for another amazing week. Sleep well, have a good rest, and have an amazing weekend. I'll see you again next time. Yeah, that's me. Bye, Jess.